off guard. All of my friends said you moved out west. You tell me stories underneath sunsets. Could it be more than just one night? Kissing the cab ride, head turning left, right. Get a ticket for two to wherever you choose. Drinking some red out of the blue. You say my name with your accent, makes me remember how much I missed you. Hope you're planning to stay.
Si Shane, ano lang siya, tahimik lang siya, pero academic achiever. Ano naman siya yun nga, tahimik, mabarkada din, pero masunurin kasi pag may sinabi ako sa kanya, sumusunod talaga siya.
Much I missed you. Hope you're planning to stay for a million days. You'll be my summer in December. Hey boy, trust my intuitions always. I'm not superstitious, I got lucky. Stole your heart and it was not for the taking.
Hindi siya pala sagot, magalang, ganun siyang bata. Never siyang sumagot-sagot, pero vocal naman siya sa nararamdaman niya. If ever na hindi niya gusto yung sinasabi ko, tatahimik lang siya, and then after, kapag medyo lumipas na, tsaka yan magsasorry kapag meron siyang nagawang hindi ko na gusto. Ganun siya.
I'm bad at pretending, you know I'll be true. Sunday mornings and midnight lights.
Happy birthday, Shane. Wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad lahat ng gusto mo. Although hindi ko naman kayang i-provide lahat ng mga gusto mo. So, as much as possible na kaya ko, ipoprovide ko. Hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Wish ko na ma-achieve mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Through your journey, sana makapasa ka sa pag-aaral mo. Well, in fact, I'm very confident naman na kayang-kaya mo. At saka, andito lang ako palagi, yung mga kapatid mo, susuporta sa'yo. At sana suportahan mo rin yung mga kapatid mo. And I wish you all the best. I love you very much. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, mga kapatid.
It was meant for the taking. It was meant for the